Hey.
All right, I got to get a video of you on there. Don't get my camera wet, baby. You like that inner tube? Hey, you living the life of Riley, aren't you? He's cold.
Come on, jump out.
Bradley, honey, you need to get out.
I
I'm scared.
I need to swim. Need to watch you swim.
I'm watching you, honey. Good job.
I'm not even touching the bottom.
I know.
Come on, jump out. Let's get you warmed up.
Papa's scared you're getting too cold, honey. Get on out and let's get you warm.
Look at this, I'm swimming, Nina.
I know you are.
Can we take this to Riley with us?
Well, we have to ask Papa.
Yay!
I'll get you another one. Take one.
It's kind of warm.
Well, we're leaving at 10 in the morning.
Okay, well, let's go by Walmart.
I want to go by Walmart today.
You want to go to Walmart?